Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka B.Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend, and welcome back to the channel. Baby, we have a new product alert. We're unboxing a new collection today. I'm gonna do a little swatching and a quick little demo for you. So, you know what to do. Grab that beverage. Let go. How was your week? Do you like my hat? I felt a little Parisian, a little fancy today for this unboxing. A little c'est la vie Paris, you know. What are you guys drinking on over there? I have a little bit of, honey, I'm still on this diet trying to keep this waist snatch and trying to reclaim my waist. So I have a little bit of tonic, gin, and I added some strawberries and I made it a little festive for a little color, so. Cheers to you, beauty besties. So I have some new products by a new collection and collaboration with MAC Cosmetics and fashion designer based in London, Harris Reed. He's super cute, by the way. Super cute. He believes in gender fluidity. Who doesn't? So this collection is great for men, for women, and we're gonna talk about it. I'm gonna swatch. Isn't the packaging great? And if you look, it's like a tarot card. But I love the fact that really close up, you can see that it's two heads, a male and a female, really celebrating that gender fluidity and, just live your life and just be free and cute and just be nice, right? So anyways, so I love this. So we have 3 lipsticks here. I'm gonna swatch this. We have cream color bases, which I love, and I'm gonna show you how to use these. This eyeliner is always sold by MAC, but it's in fancy packaging. It's called Powersurge. It's this gorgeous gold eye kohl. And I don't have it in final packaging, but I do want to show you this. Look at these shadows. 3, 6, 9. It's like eyeshadows times 9. From golds to teals to like charcoal black. Ooh, we're gonna swatch this and we're gonna create an eye look together. So let's start first with swatching the eyes, then we'll do cheeks, and finish with lips, and we'll do a quick look, okay? So the eyeshadow palette is called Fighting for the Beauty of Fluidity. I love the name. So let's start first with the bottom row. Spark Conversation, Set Them Ablaze, and Yeah. So Spark Conversation, ooh, looks like look at this. It's a bright yellow gold. So this almost reminds me of, like, if you're familiar with MAC eyeshadows, like a very like yellow gold version of Amber Lights. She's pretty. Y'all know I love a good orange, and I can already tell that Set Them Ablaze is about to be one of my favorite Look at that. How pretty, and it's matte, frosted matte. And then this one is called Yeah. And this almost looks like a fiery copper. Oh, baby. You see that fiery copper? Baby, these are great. Look how warm and rich these are. Oh, and it's beautiful against my skin and so, All right, so let's move on to the middle row. So this one is called I, Not Sorry, and Break the Mold. So I first. Okay, so this is a white silver, pretty. Not Sorry, looks like a pink with gold flecks. Oh yes, it looks a little bit sheer as well. And let's see what Break the Mold is giving. She's giving me a nice little medium tone matte brown action here. Okay, this is good so far. This gives you a range of looks. You can create things that are going to be warm to cool to icy. Last row, Unapologetically You, Deepen the Pride, and That Day Is Today. So let's start first with Unapologetically You. So another gold. But this one is a lot sheer than the first one. You see that? You can see a little bit of my skin through there. So if you didn't like the intensity of the first one, this one is really good. Deepen the Pride looks like a beautiful teal. Oh, she's cute. Oh, look how cute she is together on top of this gold. Oh, she's cute. And the last, That Day Is Today. Look at this black with gold. Oh, you know I love a drop smoky eye, beauty besties. Okay. So that's for the eyeshadows. Let's move into the cream color bases. I love a good cream color base for a couple of different reasons. They're creamy and balmy, but once they go on, like they dry down on the skin and they don't move. So it's really, really good if you like your blush or your highlight leaves you throughout the day. These are fantastic. So the palette is called Embrace Your Duality, love the name. The top one is called Over Ambitious, and this one is Be Your Own Light. So let's see what Over Ambitious looks like. Oh, she's pinky, she's more corally, excuse me, but that's pretty. And look at this shimmer, oh God, look at the shimmery gold. I'm already excited. On this skin, oh yes, on a melanated beauty best friend like this, look how pretty this is. And what I love about this is you can make this as sheer as you like. Ooh, come on, Harris Reed. Child, I need a sip. That little cream color base got me feeling all fancy. So last but not least, you have this lipstick trio called From Harris with Love. And the top color is Roman Revelation. The middle color is No Place Like LA. And this bottom color here is London Grind. Ooh. All right, so Roman Revelation looks to be more orange and core. Ooh, yes, come on, orange. Yes, it looks a little bit more matte too. And now I'm telling you, No Place Like LA is already giving me nude lip vibes. Look how creamy these lipsticks are, guys. And you know what's cool? The fact that it comes like this is so easy to carry in your purse, your bag, or your whatever. And then London Grind looks to be this beautiful, oh yeah, look how pretty that is. It's like a nice deep purple. But what I like is that these are all rather sheer, and it seems like you can build this, like medium coverage, and you can build it up. You guys ready? Let's do some makeup. So I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna show you how to use this cream color base first. So I don't have my skin on. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna use Over Ambitious here, the coral color, and I'm just gonna take it, and we're just gonna get this on first. And y'all know I'm getting a little wise in years, honey. Let me go ahead and grab a real mirror, child. So we're gonna take the Over Ambitious, and the great thing about this collection, I went online, I was reading about it, I watched a few, like Harris's on the MAC Instagram page, and the collection is really designed to be used with your fingers. Y'all know I don't really love using my fingers, but if you want to, you're on the right path. It's designed to be used with your fingers. So I'm gonna take this, I'm just gonna pull this up a little. For a soft wash, boom. Then I'm gonna take my foundation. So this is a great way. If you're scared that this is really, really bright and too bright for you, do this first and put your foundation on top. It looks like you have this flush from within. Take that sip. I love a good cream color base. It does not accentuate textures. So if you're concerned about pores and fine lines, it's not gonna make you look any more porelicious or fine line-licious, if that's a real word. Does anybody else cheat when you're wearing a hat and you have to put foundation on your forehead? I literally only do it to where the hat starts and stops. I know, I'm a cheater like that at times. Because I just hate getting that makeup line inside my hat. So I'm gonna do a little bit of powder, now that I have my skin on. Let's do this tinner here. So because I have the warmth on, I'm just gonna sneak the contour a little bit further back and not bring it down as far as I normally would. So I'm taking a smaller brush for the highlight. I love this brush, it's the 240S by MAC. It's perfect for through here. So I'm just gonna load that up. And this one is called Be Your Own Light. I'm just gonna sweep it. Oh, yes, please. Sign us up. Look how pretty that is. Let me take it underneath the brow. Right on the high plane. Be your own light. So skin is on. We got our highlight, we got our contour, we got our blush action happening underneath. I think it's sippable. Oh, that's good. Hold on. So for brows, I'm using the Shape and Shape Brow Marker in Spike by MAC. And by the way, as you guys all know, everything I'm using today is gonna be in the description box of this video, plus a link if you feel inclined to shop it. So I'm taking the brow marker and, oh, I did a little trick before I got on camera. I used my mascara primer, False Lash Maximizer. I combed it through my brows. I pushed my brows down, just kind of give it a little bit of a lift. Ew. So now I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna underscore through the arch first to build the shape. And I'm gonna pull it out for the tail. And then I'm gonna go where I have a little bit more sparseness right through here. And I'm gonna take that and we're gonna pull this down, and then we're gonna fill in where I see skin. And then I'm gonna work my way forward and pull up. Great thing about this brow marker is, it gives you the realistic feel of having hair, and you can literally paint your hair in strand by strand if you so feel like. Kind of what makes this so dope. Boom, I got that C'est La Vie brow. Well, maybe not the C'est La Vie brow, but I got my brow on. Let's move into eyes, and I'm still on the fence of what I want to do. I'm just gonna allow the creativity to move me, but I want to show you this liner first. This is called Powersurge. Love, love, love this pencil. Look how gorgeous this is. So I think I'm gonna take Powersurge, and I'm gonna do it underneath. Yes. Look how pretty that is. So now that I have Powersurge on, I'm gonna take my pencil brush. Y'all know I love a good orange moment. I'm gonna take Set Ablaze, just a little. I'm gonna work this in on the bottom and on the inner corner, underneath the Powersurge though. I'm gonna take That Day Is Today, which is this blackened, I'm gonna take That Day Is Today, which is this black shadow with a little bit of gold, a fluffy brush, and underneath in the center where the Powersurge is, where I did not connect the two orange shadows, I'm gonna bridge them together with That Day Is Today eyeshadow. Take my makeup wipe. I'm gonna take Be Your Own Light with my ring finger. I'm gonna put this all over the lid. I'm pulling this up all the way underneath my brow and out. Y'all know I need some color in my life. Deep in the pride, I can't help but not want to try this on. So we're gonna take it, and on the corners, we're gonna lay that in. All right, last but not least, let's finish with lips. So this one is from Harris with Love. I think I want a little bit of the nude. So I'm actually gonna use my fingers. I have lip primer on underneath. No liner today. Look how pretty this is. Look. And I think I'm gonna put a little bit of the deep purple on top. And this is the London Grind. Same finger. Right in the center. And I'm just gonna take it and blend it all in. If we want, we can add a little bit more of the nude, just to kind of tone it down some. But it's like a beautiful stained lip. And there you have it, our unboxing tutorial, our swatching, our everything utilizing the MAC and Harris Reed collection. It's so good. It's so easy. You get lipsticks, cream color bases that all fit in your bag. You can put this in your pocket and touch up. There's a beautiful gold gilded eyeliner. And you gotta love these beautiful 9 eyeshadows. I literally use 1, 2, 3 out of the 9. There's so many looks and ways that you can create. So I hope you guys love the unboxing, the swatching, and the tutorial. Guys, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel if you like this video if you like, and leave me a comment. Most importantly, are those notifications turned on? I hope so. Who loves you? I do. See you next time. Bye.